Hello guys, this is a very simple chicken salad. We're going to call it ugly canned chicken salad because it's chicken that I canned up right here at home. I have grapes, about 6 little grapes. If you have those nice big moondrop grapes, you can totally use those, cut them up small. You'd only need like maybe 2 or 3. 1 little piece of celery that I cut up. I already have salt and pepper in here. I keep my salad simple and easy. I'm not going to complicate something that's good. You know, there's no point. About 1/8 of a cup of classic whip. I don't buy store brand, y'all. I'm not brand loyal. I'm not one of those people. It has to be organic. Or it has to be this, it has to be that. No. No. It has to be affordable. Now this is a little dry for my liking. But if you like your salad like this is only like 1/8 of a cup, maybe 1/4 cup. I'm going to go a little bit more. I used to work at deli over to Kroger close by us, and this was one of my favorite things. Was a salad. It was a chicken salad. It was so good. And then they stopped making it because the base was changed. The base for the salad got changed, and they put raw onions in it. No, thank you. Alright, move these over here. I'm done with this. Got this. Let me get a little piece of bread here. And y'all know we're going to do quality check, right? I mean, come on. We got to do quality check. Of course. Yesterday actually was Sarge's 4th birthday. They're not supposed to give your dog grapes, so I'm trying to make sure I don't get any grapes in here. And let me pull you off here. Yeah, sorry about that. All the wildness here. Alright. Is it a winner? Oh yeah. Quality control is giving it. Okay, he's giving it 4 legs. So, okay, there is our ugly chicken salad. Simple. Mayo, salt, pepper, piece of celery, grapes. Done. Don't complicate a good thing. I will see you guys later.